Effective strategic marketing. It's not easy, but it is simple. Let me share with you the 4-point formula that you must follow to make your marketing really resonate and help to grow your business. Hi, I'm Jennifer Zick, founder and CEO of Authentic. We are a fractional CMO firm and strategic growth company that helps growing businesses to overcome random acts of marketing and confidently take the next right step on their growth journey. And part of taking that next right step is to get the marketing formula right. Now, there are a million different kinds of tactics that you might deploy to support your marketing strategy, and any one of them might be a great fit to reach your audience, but you can't know the answer to that until you answer 4 critical questions. And those questions are, number 1, who do we want to matter to? Number 2, why should we matter to them? Number 3, how do we enter their natural habitat? And number 4, when we get there, it's not how do we pitch them or how do we make them a lead, it's how do we build and maintain trust. Now let's map those 4 critical steps of simple and effective marketing into the jargon you commonly hear marketing strategists and consultants talk about and help to show you why that's so important. Number 1, who do we want to matter to? That's your ideal customer persona, or ICP. It's really essential that you get clear on this, because if you're trying to be all things to everybody, you're being nothing to anybody. So you really need to drill down on who you're trying to matter to so that you can get to question number 2. Why should we matter to them? That is your unique value proposition. It might be packaged as your 3 uniques or your 4 uniques, your special sauce you bring to the world, but it has to be something that ICP actually really values, that it solves a problem or a pain point for them in a way that nobody else can solve. Number 3, how do we enter their natural habitat? This is your channel marketing strategy, answering the question of where does my ICP live and work and consume information? This will help you to know whether Snapchat or a blog might be the best way to reach that audience, whether paid advertising or live events might be more effective. You need to map your tactics to the strategy that actually intersects their natural habitat. And that's always changing. It's always evolving. So you got to ask that question on the regular. Okay, and number 4, when we get there, how do we build trust? This is your brand promise. You need to know what it is that you're promising to the stakeholders in your world. What kind of experience are you promising to them? What kind of results? What kind of solution? And then you need to be prepared to actually deliver on that promise, because your brand experience is not just what you say it is, it's what you make it at every touch along the way. So there you have it, folks. That is the formula for world-class marketing. It's not easy, and it takes time. Trust is built over the long term, and it's maintained by the consistency and the clarity that you bring around those 4 questions. Who do we want to matter to? Why should we matter to them? How do we enter their natural habitat? And when we get there, how do we build trust? All right, you've got this. Go crush it.